So we haven't been to this park in such a long time. There's my babies walking. This park is really nice, you guys. I'm gonna show you guys a view in just a second. It's a little chilly out here. It's not that big of a park, but there's like little trails. Look, I used to come to this park when I was younger. Wow. Is there?
That trail? No, that wasn't always there. So made their own trail or something.
Oh, there is stairs now right there.
Let's go.
So yeah, this wall is 102 years old, y'all. This is the view. This is the highest park in Colorado. Highest elevational park. Okay, you guys. What is up, everybody? We just came to this park. We just figured some cool stuff out about this park. We just stopped and talked to these people, and they said that this little sidewalk, you used to be able to drive your car up here and park and look at the view. He said that was like in 1920. And the wall over here that we're gonna show you guys, it's actually 102 years old, huh?
Yeah.
2 years ago it turned 100. What?
Well, I guess when we used to come up here back in the day,
Yeah.
this used to be a road, and they used to come hang out up here and chill over at the wall like people still do.
Yeah, but it used to be just for cars.
The cars used to come around.
Isn't that so cool, you guys? Oh yeah, look, it says the sidewalk was made in 1992. So that's the year that they kind of stopped letting people come up here. That's awesome though. Fun facts every day. I'm glad we ran into them, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the view when we get up to the wall.
She really like this park, huh?
To focus a little bit. So this is the view.
City bud.
Okay, so that's the view. Didn't show much. There's actually other people here too. But there's actually, looked like there is a fire. Look how tall this wall is, y'all. But yeah, I'll show you guys everything in a second. Let me just show you the path we're walking on. Oh wow, that is a nice house.
Nice hill.
There's some beautiful homes over here, you guys. Look at this big old rock. This park is really beautiful. This is the highest point in Denver, the parks. He is, huh? My son's going around this whole wall like nothing. This little white wall. Did you guys see right here? He already went all the way around it. At least on this side it's not that cold, huh?
No, it's not.
Pretty sunny. But yeah. So this park's been here for a long time. I didn't even know that until they told us about it. There used to be these huge, huge trees. I think those are the trees that we've seen coming in. I absolutely love this park.
Yay.
But yeah.
Should I get their weight shoes?
No, it's about to end. You want to get up to the wall right when it's going to end.
Oh.
He's going to be sad.
Yeah. Turn around.
Yes, yeah. You're doing such a good job.
I would have probably tried to run around this whole thing.
Oh.
Tree? Is there a way, son? What the heck?
There's a little branch right there. He's trying to get past. There we go.
I got you. There's this little landing. Oh my goodness, sliding perfect hill. Look at that beautiful house over there.
Yeah. Yay! Let me show you guys. There's actually a little like trail right there. And there's this beautiful view.
Far down.
There's glass and stuff. We're not gonna go that way. We've been that way a lot of time. Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Come on, baby. Let's go this way. Yay! He wants to go back through the wall. So we're leaving now. Your seat's way up there.
Did you see how I squeezed it?
Did you guys see how we squeezed it? Anyway.
That'll be a hit.
We're leaving the park now.
I felt like fucking Norbit's girlfriend. You messing with my seat again, Norbit? Where's my keys?
I don't know, you had them. Okay, so we're gonna go pick up the other car right now. It's a little cold outside. Oh, but yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Jesse's sleeping.
I need energy drink.
Let's go get some more energy drinks. No margaritas like 8 o'clock in the morning.
Virgin.
Okay, it's 11:22 in the morning, but still feels like 9. Virgin margaritas. But yeah, we're leaving.
Hey, you know, we spent some good time there.
Yeah.
A half hour, you know?
I think an hour, honestly.
An hour? Really?
Yeah.
That's like 45 minutes.
Yeah. Okay, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.
Inspiration Park.
Guys, so I just came to the car wash and look, I stopped inside of it. Like in the middle of it, there's a car behind me. I don't know if you guys could see it. And the baby's sleeping. You guys. And then earlier when I went to Walmart, one of the doors, I closed it, look. One of the doors, I closed it and it came open again. Y'all, I'm a little freaked out. Today is just not my day, maybe. I'm scared. But yeah, I'm just gonna clean my car. Finish cleaning it. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, so we're at the park now. Sorry about my crazy hair. Oh my god, but let me tell you guys something. So we're at the park here, right? Me and the baby. Look at the baby. And you guys, there's these shoes on the bench. And they look exactly like the shoes that we just got for baby Jessie. Let me show you them to you guys. Oh, they're right there. We just got baby Jessie a pair like this. Yeah, it's a little strange though. Little strange. But yeah, I don't know if I'm just having a weird day or what. I don't know what's going on, you guys. Maybe it's just a coincidence. But who would leave their kids' shoes here? You know what I'm saying? I don't know. There's not that many people here. It's honestly just baby Jessie here at the playground. Yeah, but I don't know. I'm just like weirded out by all the stuff that's going on today. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know what to do. I'm just breaking out all over too. Got dead skin everywhere. Yeah, this is a really beautiful park though. Let me show you guys. The view. There's our car. There's people walking. Oop. This is the park. And there's baby Jessie right there. You guys can hear a lot of cars. That's because there's a highway. Close, but not too close. Not like any of the kids can run in there. But yeah. So I'm just having a weird day. I thought I'd share it with you guys because if I'm having a weird day, we're both having a weird day. Me and you. Me and you. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's like an off day. But yeah, I will check in with you guys later. Probably after I'm done doing my hair. Yeah, just continue this weird day with me, y'all. I don't know what else to say. I'm just having a really like weird vibey day. See you guys in a minute. What is up, everybody? Yeah. So I'm actually gonna be ending out my video here. I didn't record yesterday finishing the day because it was a long day. It was a weird day, as you guys all know. I wanted to show you guys, this is a little mini drone that you control with your hands. And my son is trying to leave with my niece. That's fine. But yeah, let me just show you guys this and why is my camera so blurry. Hold on. Okay. Oh, nope, still blurry. Hold on, wait. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what it does. This is what I got for my niece for her birthday. Her birthday was January 21. But yeah, and you just go like this. Y'all, it has a mind of its own. It's supposed to be controlled. It's supposed to get controlled by your hands, but I don't know what we're doing wrong. We read the instructions. Can y'all let me know? We're watching this movie, by the way. Don't mind it. Let me pause it. Technical difficulties. Yeah, hold on. Okay, I got it. Okay, so what you're supposed to do, you're supposed to throw it in the air, right? And it's supposed to like follow your hand. But yeah, it doesn't follow my hand. Okay, watch. I don't know what's going on. It just kind of does its own thing. And we don't know why. See, you see it? Don't mind the snacks in the corner. It just does its own thing. But yeah. I just wanted to show you guys what I got her for her birthday. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next video.